Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So seeing that you are watching this video on YouTube, just to let you know about a couple of new features and design updates that Google has started rolling out recently for YouTube, and that's to the different YouTube platforms. So that would be a desktop web version, your TV, phone, and so on. Now, this is according to their YouTube official blog post update dated the 17th of October. And for this video, I'm just going to focus on the web desktop version of YouTube. If you want more info regarding the other platforms, I'll leave that official blog post down below in the description. Now, first of all, and in no particular order, the first thing I noticed, as an example here with my channel, these different categories like home, videos, podcasts, playlists, and so on, this is a lot more compact. There was a lot more spacing between each prior to this update, and these different channel categories used to almost come right across the page. So that's given that a more compact design, which I actually quite like. And then according to the official blog post, the key highlight would be this new U tab found in the left-hand navigation menu, where Google says this is where you can discover all your stuff in one place. So what they've done now is the library tab and account page have been merged into this new home, which they are now calling the U tab. And this is where, as many of you may know, you can now find your previously watched videos, your playlists, downloads, purchases, and so on, as well as your account-related settings and channel info. So this new U section, new U tab, is now where you can discover all your stuff in one place according to that announcement. Then moving on to the next, and if you are one of those who enjoys watching videos in double time, you can now double the speed when playing a video. So just to demonstrate, I'm just going to click on a video, and now you can see if I press down and hold my mouse, this works either way, backwards or forwards, and I just hold it in. You can see it says playing at 2 times the speed, so that's double the speed. And if you let go, obviously it adjusts to normal speed. So if you do enjoy watching your videos in double time, that is a nice move in the right direction, as I would say. Now, while we are focusing on watching videos, there's also bigger preview thumbnails while you seek. So yeah, we can see that thumbnail is a lot bigger than it used to be. So I think YouTube is just trying to make it a lot easier for you to find that certain section or a timestamp in a video. And I actually quite like that bigger thumbnail. And something else I've noticed, if we just head back to the main page and we head to the playlists, something I've noticed regarding the playlists, if I just go sort by, just as an example, we can see that there's a kind of like a shelf just above the actual thumbnail for the playlist. I don't know if you can see that properly in the video. So there you go. So that's new. That wasn't there previously. And also the video count for each playlist has also been updated. So they've also compacted that into a kind of a tab where that video count used to go all the way across the bottom of the thumbnail. So that's another little update I have spotted. And according to that blog post update with this announcement, Google says that these changes will roll out gradually to users around the world over the next coming weeks. And I have noticed that these updates I have spoken about today in the video are not appearing on all my accounts, on all my devices. Only 1 or 2 have received them. So obviously this is region specific. So if you're not seeing these changes, then just be patient as they are coming in the next weeks. But I just wanted to keep you updated. And that's just a couple of the new features and design updates that are now available for YouTube on desktop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.